Hey guys, so I just got better from being sick for a couple of days and my room is a total mess. I still have a couple more weeks of winter break and I'm spending a lot of time in my room. I've got food, books, laundry, all kinds of stuff, and it all really just needs to be cleaned and organized. My room is so dusty and I really just want to air it out and have a nice clean living space for the last couple of weeks of winter break. Come along with me. The best way to start any room cleaning video is with a nice made bed. Let's get to it. Usually this nice thin fuzzy blanket is enough, but it's getting a lot colder here for winter, and I think it's about time to break out the quilt. My mom actually made this quilt for me about 4 years ago, and whenever she did, I asked her if she could sew on this patch that was on my baby quilt. It says "Made with Love by Mommy," so I can kind of always have a memory of that every time I use it. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, then you've probably noticed I have a lot of stuffed animals. I'll show you some of my collection here in a little montage, but many of them are from my friends, and that's probably my favorite part, is each one has its own memory. I remember I got this one for my golden birthday when I turned 11. I got this one after months of searching on the internet, and I got it all the way from Japan. I got this one for Valentine's Day. I got this one from a friend for my birthday. This one is a replica of my dog, so I can always remember him, and I just think it's beautiful. It's a beautiful little thing that your friends and family can get you, and it really sticks with you, the memory of where and who gave them to you. Alright, we got the bed made. Now let's turn our eyes over to the desk. We've got a whole lot of clutter all on this area. You can see I got Vicks and tissues and lots of tissues in there, but since I'm feeling better, let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. This is the last corner of my room that needs cleaning. We got a little bit of decluttering, a little laundry to do. Let's get to it. That laundry's been sitting there for about a week, and it took me only 4 minutes to do. So if you're waiting and procrastinating to do your laundry, this is your sign. Go do it. Pause the video, go do it, and come back. My favorite part about doing my laundry is that I have this basket free to put all of my dirty laundry that's been sitting in the bottom of my closet into a nice tucked away space. See? Doesn't that look better? One of the most difficult places in my room to keep clean is this corner. It's become just this charging hodgepodge of storage, charging electronics and computer cables that always gets incredibly dirty the first time I pull one thing out to charge. So let's try to fix it up and get a little more organized. The next part I want to organize is this spot right here, and it's just kind of my end-all be-all for all the paper stuff in my life that I don't know if I necessarily need to keep, but I don't really want to throw away. But I can probably throw it away now because I can promise you I have not been through this pile in a year, and I haven't touched it, so I don't need this paper anymore. Thank you all for watching. I hope you got some inspiration for cleaning your rooms. I'll see you all next time.